Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylah and I make scrunchies and bows. I've been doing so for 10 years now. In today's video, I'm going to be going through my little haul from Temu, I don't know. I just got a heap of ads and stuff and I just went on to buy a heap of crafty stuff, so I just thought I'd show you what I bought. Stick around to the end though, because I will be showing you my favorite purchase of the whole lot, telling you what I'm going to do with it. So this is mostly craft stuff, but let's go through it. Purchased elastic. Also, I like to point out that all of this costs $80 AUD. So I got this elastic, which I use for my mini scrunchies, and it's like the perfect stretch as well, which I was really excited about because it's sometimes really hard to tell what you're going to receive when you purchase elastic online. So yeah, that's my favorite type. I purchased like really thin elastic. And I want to try shirring, I think it's called, like to make everything like that. So I was going to give that a go. I know you can do it on a regular sewing machine and just like wind the bobbin with this. So we'll see. Lucky I kept my regular sewing machines. I still have both of my regular machines, which I have an Elna and I have a Singer. Then I've also got an overlocker, an embroidery machine, and I've got the Juki Industrial. I also got some of this elastic because I ran out of this sort of elastic and I usually use it for the DIY pack. I sort of needed some more of that. DIY packs have been pretty popular. I purchased another one of these. So these are great. They're to hold bobbins in. They're like flexible. Currently I have two of these. Well, now I have three. One of them is being used to hold up my sign next to my sewing machine and the other one is used for all the bobbins. I'll show you. So this is what I use and I've used that since the day I got it. But I got this and there are meant to be more in there. But I've got heaps of them like just laying in here because I actually didn't have enough room in this little circle for everything. So I'll have to do with this to tidy up because like look at all the threads just hanging about. It's not good. Yeah. Now I've got another one. I bought a 5-in-1 sliding gauge indicator thing. No idea what it's used for. Hem gauge, circle compass, buttonhole spacer, seam allowance gauge. Am I saying that right? And T gauge. A bunch of different things you can use this for. Thought it looked like something you could use in sewing. Might come in handy. Purchased this. Eyelet pliers. So like put eyelets in stuff. Because if I'm making like a corset top or something or a lace back, I wanted to sort of use that. I'm pretty sure that was pretty cheap too. It was like $8 maybe. I got this. Can't quite remember what it is or what it's used for. I think it's interfacing, but it's like a small thin version. Purchased some invisible zippers, except I noticed that, oh wait, oh interesting. So I thought that the end, like you just split apart, but you can't. It's actually like glued together or something. So yeah, these ones are actually quite long, so they'll be like for dresses, I guess. I just got white because I thought why not, seeing as I'm going to be making more like dresses and stuff. Yeah, I also got a heap of other zippers. Wait, there's more. Oh, I got black as well. Also got some shorter ones in like multicolors. Some very short ones in just white. These are just all zippers in a few different sizes. Oh, I got more zippers. So these ones were like multicolor pastel colors. So I got a few of those. Oh, these are all invisible too. Pretty good. I don't know how to tell the difference between good or bad. I got one of these that spins. It's to like press down on seams. So it's like a seam roller to sort of flatten stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool and like a little nifty thing to have rather than, I know I've done it a lot, like even with paper and stuff. So it'd be nice to have this, and it's ergonomic as well because like hold there. Very ergonomic, which is a bonus considering how cheap it was. I got another one of my favorite items. I've purchased heaps of these because they just go missing all the time. It's a retractable measuring tape and just checked, it is correct. It does have inches. I've actually read that some that you can buy like on those websites like AliExpress and Alibaba, Temu, I still don't know how to say that. It has a different measurement. It's not in inches, so it's always good to check that. I can't quite remember what the measurement is. I think it might be a Chinese or Chinese measurement perhaps, of some description anyway. But yeah, it's off, like it's not in inches for some, but this one is, so that was good. Purchased a bunch more of these little clips. So I have been using these clips rather than little pins, just because I don't trust myself with pins. I will stab myself by accident or I'll leave them out and they will, yeah, get in my foot. So I've been using these little clips and they've been so great. I have a heap of pink ones, but now I have a heap of multicolour ones. I bought another bobbin casing. So that's just a little cute one to have. I think it was only a couple of dollars as well. This little thing, because currently when I open up my sewing machine, like take the plate off and stuff, I use like one of the bobbins which has bent or snapped some of them. So now I have a little tiny little screwdriver so I can open up the bottom of my plate so I can clean all the lint out. So this was actually a great purchase, really handy. I'm gonna put it in my little drawer right now so I don't forget where it is. I got this little thing. It's sort of like a, I guess a seam ripper slash for paper slash for really anything. It says it's for like letters as well, but it is showing it being used on like cardboard. So like box opener. That's just another little nifty tool which I thought might come in handy. Can't really cut yourself on it, so that's always a bonus. I got these, which are those little hooks that attach at the top of dresses or like at the top of tops and the zip doesn't fall down. So I thought that would come in handy. Don't know if I'll use them or like use many of them, but it's always handy to have, I guess. I got a bias maker I think it's called. So it looks like that. Yeah, bias tape maker binding tool. So like you put your fabric in and you pull it out and you iron it as you go. So that will be interesting to use. I used to make my own bias all the time for my scrunchie labels. I think you can get bigger ones than this. This is only a small one, which would be probably used for like going around clothes. Pretty cool contraption anyway. These ones are all feet for the sewing machine. I have no idea what they're for. Well, I could tell you because I'll tell you the name of them, but barely know what they are for. This one is a universal quilting embroidery foot. So pretty much I can do this without like tension, I guess. So I can make my own freehand patterns. That's what that looks like. I don't know if any of these will work in my machine. I got them anyway just to test. I won't be using them on my industrial, obviously. I'll use it on one of my other cheaper machines and just see. I have this little tiny foot. I have no idea what that one's for. Let's go have a look. An invisible zipper foot. Cool. So I've got that one. I might put them all in a little bag because I feel like that's gonna just disappear on me. Got this little one, which I'm gonna guess is another zipper foot. Yeah, so this one's a little zipper foot. Looks like that. This one is a pleating presser foot. Ah, cool. So it does that. If you know what pleating is, that's what that does. Okay, all these are like 70 cents or $1. Again, I don't know if they're gonna work in my machine, but we'll see. So that, interesting, yeah, to see how that goes, to be honest, because I've been doing pleating by sewing straight, 2 lines of straight, and then pulling very gently and like gathering it. Is that gathering or pleating? Is that the same thing? If you have any insight on these foots, let me know. What is this? Let's go find out, because that one looks crazy. Ah, it's an elastic one. So to sew elastic into your garment like that. Bit different. Then we got this one, which I'm gonna guess is a bias one. It's a rolled hem presser foot. Oh, cool. So this one I bought 3/8 of an inch. Is that how you say that? I'm not really used to like inch measurements. In Australia we use like centimeters mostly, not really inch. So that's what that looks like. So you can get bigger ones that do the rolled hem in a different size. I just got this size because I wasn't really sure what size to get. And I thought, well, that kind of looks like an average hem length. That one's pretty cool as well. To be honest, I think this probably would have cost like $65 because the other bits and pieces I have are like not business related. So like I got one of these. They're like a scalp massager. Highly recommend. They're great. I do already have one, but I wanted one for travel. And then I got these. I don't know if you can see them. So it looks like that. And I've been eyeing these off for a while because they take pants in without actually taking them in. Like that. And I've got these white pants which are perfect fit everywhere except the waist, where they are massively massive. And I didn't really want to sew into them because I'm not 100% comfortable with that, especially to alter jeans in that way. So I got this, and hopefully that will work. I also got a heap of like these little, these are just like randomized ones. These are so popular. They're for Crocs. You should see my Crocs are dirty right now, but I've purchased some from a market recently. The little, I can't remember what they're called, but they are so cute. I love them so much. Oh, I'm still waiting on some chalk. It was shipped in a separate lot and I'm not sure why, but I did order some chalk. But then I also went into Spotlight and got like pencils and some other chalk items for dressmaking. And I actually got them for pretty much free because they had a $5 coupon if you spend $10. So yeah, practically free at that point. This is some of the stuff. So you can kind of see like the prices on the side and sort of what they are. I'm not sure if I'll tag them. And last but not least, yes, you're wondering why have I got a toy in my hand? It's a little mini vending machine, right? So when I was in Japan, my biggest regret from Japan was not buying this vending machine. They had these Japanese toy capsule machines which are called a gashapon, and I didn't buy it, and that was my biggest regret. I could have bought it and I didn't, and it was a lot bigger than this one, and I really wanted to use it for markets. So I wanted to purchase that, like put like colors on it with my Cricut machine, and then put like scrunchies in the little balls, and like, you know, if someone wants to buy one, they can like put the little token in and like pay me like whatever the amount is, and then it comes out, and then obviously I just take the ball back and they get the prize. Oh, I wish I could have got that. I have found it online again since then, but it's $100 more expensive than what it would have been if I just purchased it there in Japan. That is my idea for markets coming up into 2024. But for this little machine, because I knew it was going to be little, I want to start doing a series of videos where I put little notes in these little balls. I'm hoping you can actually open them now that I think about it. If not, I'll find some other balls that I can put in here which are small enough. And then when they pop out, it will say like make a top, or you know, make pants, or make a dress, or make a cushion cover. You know, it's gonna like have all these different things in it, and it'll be like a video content series for that. So that is my most exciting purchase from this place. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping it's gonna work the way I'm thinking. Maybe decorate the little vending machine, but it looks so cute. If you want to see more about the vending machine, I'll have another video on it later on in my channel. So do make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so you can get notified when I do post this video. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas of what to put in the little capsules, let me know below. So yeah, I am thinking of stuff that is sort of like a me-made, sort of in that sort of arena. So not specifically like make a scrunchie, because I do that every day anyway. Yeah, they're making the clothes, or specific items which I haven't made yet. Make a tote bag, something that I think will help me broaden my skill set this year. It's going to be a lot easier for me to choose what to do if I do get it, and it's something I don't have here that I can make. You know, I can take you to the shops and purchase it. We purchase the materials for it. I don't know, I just feel like it's going to be a cool content idea. Let me know what you guys think about that one. Let me know what you guys think of my haul. I did purchase a whole bunch of things, but I think it's mostly useful things that I will use this year, especially with the introduction of me-made items on my channel. And it'll be exciting to use all those different foots and all those different little pieces as well. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Just a nice short one for you guys with my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!